Hey, good morning. Welcome to the JeepSolid Garage. My name is Dale. I'm so glad you guys are here. So today I'm going to cover how to identify bad ball joints on your vehicle. Now what I've done is I've replaced the ball joints on one side of my project Jeep, and the other side the ball joints are really bad. We're going to take a look at that and how to identify those bad ball joints. If you're new to my channel, that's what I'm all about, is helping you guys with projects and maintenance, saving yourself all kinds of money by doing these simple projects yourself. So be sure to subscribe. You're going to need a jack, maybe a jack stand, a way to lift your vehicle off to get the tires off the ground. And you're also going to need a pry bar to lift up on the tire. Then once you have the vehicle up off the ground, you're going to grab it up at the 12 o'clock and down at the 6 o'clock position, and you're going to try rocking the tire in and out to see if you have any play. Let's check the bad side first, the side that I have not replaced the ball joints. And the upper ball joint here, you can see how this ball joint is rocking in and out. The ball joint is allowing the steering knuckle to rock in and out against the yoke there. It is not supposed to do that. And here looking at the lower ball joint, we don't see as much movement on this one. It might not be quite as bad, but both of these need to be replaced. The other test we're going to do, we're going to place a bar underneath the wheel, and we're going to just pry it up and down, trying to rock the wheel up and down to see if we have any movement in that direction. And it looks like we're still getting that movement between the knuckle and the yoke. It is possible to get rocking and clicking of your wheel here if you have bad hubs as well. The hubs on this one are okay. I can see that this is clearly failed ball joints causing this movement. And let's repeat the same process on the other side. Now this is the side where I've replaced the ball joints. And as you can see, when I try to rock this one back and forth, I get no movement. If anything, I just shake the whole Jeep. And when we place the bar underneath and try to pry it up and down, same thing, I get no movement. These ball joints are great. These are my brand new ones, and you can see the huge difference. And here's a look at one of the failed ball joints that I'm replacing. This has the torn boot on it, and there's way too much play. We have movement in and out, and this thing just flops all around. And here is one of the new ones that I'm installing. This guy, it has no movement, can't push it in or out, and it's really hard to move. There we go, I can move it, but it's tough. So there you go, our failed ball joint and our new one. Now, failed ball joints can cause all kinds of issues with your steering and suspension. Not only will it affect your handling, but it can also affect your tire wear. A lot of times you can get wear on the inside of the tire where that ball joint is allowing your tire to kind of tip a little bit, so it's wearing more on that inside. So that's another symptom to keep an eye on. So like I said, I'm in the process of replacing the ball joints on this Jeep Wrangler YJ. I'll be sure to include the ball joints I'm using on this project in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment. Love to hear from you. Have a good day.